Welcome to our deeper dive into the world of Buddhism and inner peace. Today, we're going to unpack the philosophical riches and calming practices of this ancient tradition, lending us insight into avenues of tranquility. Buddhism, with its rich tapestry of teaching stretching back over 2 millennia, offers a unique perspective of harmonious living. Be prepared to explore, learn, and most importantly, find a sense of inner calm today. Just before we delve further, take a moment to enable notifications for our channel. Don't miss out on any of our future enlightening discussions and talks. So, what are the basic teachings of Buddhism? It all starts with the Four Noble Truths. The first one states that life inevitably involves some suffering or dissatisfaction. This may sound pessimistic, but it doesn't end there. The second truth highlights that suffering's roots lie in our cravings and attachments. The third offers hope, proclaiming freedom from suffering is possible. Lastly, the fourth noble truth guides us how? Through the Noble Eightfold Path, a balanced approach to life. Buddhism offers a profound understanding of how inner peace can be achieved. Inner peace, from a Buddhist perspective, is a state of calm and serenity achieved through letting go of attachments, fostering mindfulness, and realizing the transient nature of all phenomena. Through practices like meditation, one cultivates a calm, centered mind, becoming more mindful and less swayed by emotion. This equilibrium enables a state of deep peace within oneself. Let's discuss some real-world examples of how Buddhism can transform lives. Think about Thich Nhat Hanh, a globally renowned Zen monk, whose teachings and practices have influenced millions of people worldwide by promoting mindfulness. Similarly, Matthieu Ricard, a molecular biologist turned Buddhist monk, offers insight into the happiness and peace attainable through Buddhist practices. Their lives highlight the transformative potential of Buddhism and how it can lead to a more peaceful state of mind. Want to embrace the wisdom of Buddha into your life? Let's navigate it together. Start with learning and understanding the Four Noble Truths, which form the crux of Buddhism. Dissect each truth, explore the profundity, and apply the philosophy to problems you face. Make mindfulness your ally. The Buddhist practice of vipassana equips you to remain in the present without worrying about the past or future. Contemplate on the Noble Eightfold Path, the guidelines which lead to self-improvement, ethical living, and eventually release from suffering. Are you puzzled about certain aspects of Buddhism? Let us pave the way in answering those. One common question is, do I need to renounce the world and become a monk? The answer is no. Buddhism encourages balance in life and does not advocate extreme asceticism. Another question is, can Buddhism coexist with other belief systems? Absolutely. Buddhism does not demand exclusivity. It provides a philosophical framework which can complement your current beliefs. Lastly, is Buddhism atheistic? Despite not embracing the concept of a creator god, Buddhism respects diversity and does not deny the existence of multiple deities played out in various traditions. Buddhism isn't just a philosophy, it's a tool for personal and spiritual development. Buddhist teachings like impermanence and acceptance can help us handle change and uncertainty, making us more resilient. Also, core practices like mindfulness and meditation can enhance our attention, cognition, and emotional regulation, essentially fostering well-being. Lastly, concepts like interconnectedness can help us build empathy, compassion, and a deep sense of connection with all living beings. Let's move to an intimate note. Here's a personal testimonial that highlights the profound impact of Buddhism on one's life. Meet Alice. She was riddled with anxiety and existential questions until she found Buddhism. Buddhist teachings provided Alice with perspectives and pragmatic tools to navigate her challenges. Alice has been practicing mindfulness meditation every day, and within 6 months, she managed to keep her anxiety under control. Her journey reflects how Buddhism can be a life-altering experience when embraced wholeheartedly. Let's encapsulate the key takeaways from the Buddhist approach to inner peace. Buddhism teaches that suffering is not imposed on us. Rather, it's born out of our attachments, desires, and ignorance. By understanding the root of our suffering, we can work to overcome it. Practices like meditation foster awareness and acceptance, key in cultivating inner peace. More so, the Noble Eightfold Path guides us in leading a compassionate and ethical life, fostering harmony with our surroundings and within ourselves. As we wrap up our journey into the profound teachings of Buddhism, remember it is a deeply personal and transformative path. Everyone's journey will be unique, embracing different teachings and methods based on personal needs and circumstances. However, the ultimate goal remains the same: inner peace, enlightenment, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Buddhism provides us the tools to understand and navigate our mind and the world around us, slowly leading us to a state of peace and harmony. It helps transform our pains, fears, and confusions, guiding us to a place of calmness, mindfulness, and compassion. We would love to hear about your thoughts, experiences, and questions regarding Buddhism and inner peace. Are you interested in exploring Buddhism more? Have you been practicing any form of meditation or mindfulness? How has your experience been, and have you noticed any positive changes? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Our community thrives on sharing knowledge, experiences, and encouraging lively and respectful discussion. Let's learn and grow together in our journey towards inner peace and enlightenment. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to enable notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our future videos addressing diverse spiritual, philosophical, and psychological topics to help you find peace, happiness, and personal growth. Also, your likes, shares, and comments greatly encourage us and help our community grow. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we look forward to continuing on this path of exploration, understanding, and growth together.